On this video today, I'm going to be showing you a copy and paste strategy that you can use to make money online like this from home. You don't need to invest any money, you don't need any skills to do this. Everything is very simple and it is available worldwide. So wherever you are, you can use this strategy to make money from home without paying for anything. So if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. So as you can see on your screen right now, this is a social media network that you can use to make money online just by copying and pasting images and videos. So as you can see, the content on this platform are getting views. You can see this one right here, 16k views. You can see 16k views, 11k views, 9k views, 9k views. You can see many others. You can see 4k views, you can see 5k views. As I scroll, you can see many videos here. You can see this one 1k view, you can see 1k views, you can see 1k views, 1k views, and many others. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use this social media platform to make money with just one simple trick. So when you come to the traffic source, you can see that 59.73% is coming from the United States. You can see that 21.94% is coming from Canada, and you can see 8.15% is coming from Britain. So this is a great platform that you can use to make money from home. So all the traffic is coming from tier 1 countries. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create a post on this platform. So you are going to come right here, click on create post. So once you click on create post, you can see that you can either upload an image here, you can upload a video here. When you come here, you are going to also select the audience. You are going to give a title to your post, the description if it is an image, and you are going to give a rating. If you want your audience to be 18 plus, you are going to select that. 14 plus, you are going to also select that. Right here, you are going to upload your file here. You can see that you can choose to lock your content, so people have to pay you before they view the content, but we are not going to lock the content. We are going to make the content free. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to upload an image on this platform so that we can use it to make money from home. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come to Instagram. Once you come to Instagram, you are going to just click on explore so that we can get trending images on Instagram right now. So you are just going to click on explore and you can get them. Once you click on explore, you can see these are images that are trending on Instagram right now. As you can see, many images and videos. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to select any of these images so that we can use them to drive traffic to our affiliate products. So we are going to just select any of them. So I'm going to select this one right here. So once you select an image like this, the next thing is that you are going to download the image so that we can re-upload this image to the social media network that we are using right now. So you are going to copy the link of the image. Once you copy the link of the image, you are going to search for this website igdownloader.com. Once you search for it, you can find it, and you are going to paste your link here so that you can download the image. So you are going to come right here, just click here and then paste your link right here. Once you paste the link, you are just going to press on enter and you can get the link to download this image. As you can see right here, so you are going to just click on download and the image is going to be saved onto your PC. So as you can see right here, it is downloaded and you can see that the download is complete. So the next thing is that we are going to come back to the social media platform, and what we are going to do is that we are going to select our audience. So we want it to be public. Once you select public, the next thing is that you are going to give a title to your image. So you are going to type a title like this: how to lose weight without dieting or exercising. So this is the title. So the next thing is that you are going to now write your description. This is the most important aspect of it, because this is where you are going to be attracting people to a product. So you are going to write a very good description. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come back to the Instagram image, and right here you can see that it has a great description. So you are just going to copy it. Once you copy the description of the image, you are going to just come right here and then paste your description right here. Just paste the description right here, and now you can see this is the end of it. So at the last part of the description, you are going to give a call to action here so that people can click through an affiliate link and then purchase a product for you to earn money. So you are going to type, if you want to lose weight fast without dieting or exercising, copy and paste this link on your browser. So you are going to type something like this. So as you can see, this is your simple call to action. If you want to lose weight fast without dieting or exercising, copy and paste this link on your browser. So right here we are going to insert an affiliate link. So what you are going to do is that you are going to now find an affiliate product to promote. So you can come to Clickbank. So once you come to Clickbank and then click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down and come to the health and fitness category. So you are going to click on that category. Once you open the health and fitness category, these are products that you can promote. You can see the first one is Exit Pure. You can see the commission rate is $148.21 per sale. You can see there's another one here, Java Ben. The commission rate is $117.33. As I scroll, you can see many products on this category that you can promote. So what we are going to do is that we are going to be promoting the first one. This is a very popular product that we can promote on this category. So you are just going to click on promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to enter your account's nickname, and then here you are going to click on generate hop link. Once you click on generate hop link, you can see this is your unique affiliate link, and this is the link that you are going to be promoting. So anytime people purchase the product through this link, you are going to be earning commission. So you are going to just click on it. So once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come to bexley.com. Here you can shorten the link so that you can make it look more pretty for people to click through. So you are going to paste it here. Once you paste it here, you are going to just click on shorten, and you can shorten this link. Once you click on shorten, you can see that the link is now short and it looks better than before. So you are going to just click on copy. Once you click on copy, you are going to bring it back to your post, and right here you are going to paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, the next thing is that you are going to select the rating. So here we are going to select 18 plus. So we want people who are 18 plus to see this content. So we are going to select that. Once you select that, the next thing is that you are now going to upload the image. So you are going to just click here, and then you are going to upload the image onto this platform. So you are going to just select the image, click on open, and it's going to be uploaded onto this platform. So as you can see, this is the image and it's ready to be posted, as you can see right here. So you are just going to click on post now, and the image is going to be posted onto this website. You can see post created. Now the post is going to be ready. As you can see right here, this is the post, and you can see that this is your link. So anytime people view this image, they are going to read about the description and then copy this link onto their browser, and they are going to take action. Once they purchase the product, you are going to be earning commission on Clickbank. So let me show you my content on this platform. So when you come to view profile, so let me click on this video so that you can see the number of views that I got. As you can see, this is a video that I uploaded. You can see that I got 422 views. So what you are going to do is that for videos, you are just going to come right here and type a call to action and paste it here. Let me type it for you to see. So if you want to lose weight without dieting or exercising, copy and paste this link on your browser. So you are going to give a comment on your own post. Once you comment on your own post, you are just going to come right here and you are going to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, go back to the website and you are going to come right here and you are going to paste your link right. Once you paste it, just comment on your own post. You can see that this is the comment, and you can see the link is right here. So this is what you are going to be doing to promote your affiliate links on this particular platform. So the name of this website is Pix Social. So this is a great platform that you can use to promote your content. So you are just going to create an account and you can be using it for free. So let me log out and show you. So as you can see, when you search for Pix Social Media, you are going to find a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are just going to come right here, click on sign up, and you can sign up for a free account. You are not going to pay for anything, and you can be using it to promote your affiliate links. So for Instagram videos, you can just come here. You can see this is a video, and you are just going to click on it. Once you click on it, you can just copy the link of this video. Once you copy, you are going to come to igdownloader.com and you are going to select video. Once you select video, you are going to paste the link here. Once you paste the link, just press enter and it's going to give you a link to download this particular video. So as you can see, this is the video. So you are just going to click on download and you are going to save it onto your PC, and you can re-upload it to Pix Social, and you are going to be getting people to view the content and then click through your affiliate link. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.